Hey guys, it's your girl OG Teddy back with another video. I'm gonna be doing my makeup really quick for my cousin's dance. She's having a house party. Shout out Mandy baby. This is gonna be a really quick video, and my nails look like shit because I literally just dyed my hair jet black like this morning, so my nails are stained. And I didn't get a chance to paint my nails until after I do this video because I gotta do my makeup first. And yeah. Anyways, let's get this video started. The first thing I'm going to do is actually get my primer, and I'm going to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying primer to prime my brows, and then I'm going to fill my brows in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. You guys have already seen me do my eyebrows. If you haven't, I'll link an eyebrow tutorial video that I have on my channel up here. It's a little old, but it's still pretty much the same concept, so check that out. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. My brows are snatched and they look really good. They look really good, but they look really good. You know what? Anyways, I'm gonna jump into my eyeshadow. I don't know what look I'm doing, but I'm kind of feeling, I don't know, like a rose gold eyeshadow look. And I'm gonna use an old palette. It's the MAC Fruit a la... But it looks like this. And this is like a real get ready with me. Like as I'm ruffling around getting this stuff, I'm literally recording. I'm gonna start by putting some of this on my eyelid. I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This concealer is really full coverage. I actually want to get one in my shade for my face because right now your girl is hella tan. And this is too light. So I use this for the base of my eyeshadows because it does help it pop. Now I'm gonna use my MAC Invisible Set Powder to set the concealer. So this look is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm literally using just 3 colors. So if you are new to eyeshadows, I'm here for you. This orange shade here. I'm going to blend that out on my eyes. I just remembered something. I'm going to put my Fix Plus spray and my Urban Decay setting spray in the fridge so they're cool. That's the little trick for the summertime. You're welcome. I'm going to use the second shadow, and that's that fuchsia pink color I told you guys about. So this is going to really intensify the look. Now I'm going to go into that rose gold shade I told you about. I'm going to apply it with my finger. Yeah. Huge difference. It's a pretty color. Wow. I might look a little crazy because my foundation and stuff isn't on, but I'm telling you guys, this is definitely it. So there is this random shade in the palette that I'm actually going to use as like a very light brow bone highlight, and it's this champagne color here. Perfect. I'm going to add a bit of that same brow bone highlight in the inner corner just to spice up what I got going on in here just a bit. I think that's literally perfect. What I'm going to do now is apply some eyeliner and then my lashes. We are done with the eyes, and this looks nice. Shout out EXO lashes. I love these lashes. They're so pretty. First thing I'm going to do is prime my face with, I think I'm going to use a professional primer. Now I'm actually going to mix my foundation. I'm going to be mixing the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC55 with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW46. I got pretty tan this summer, so the colors that normally match me do not match me. So I'm working with what I got. That blended very well. This mix was definitely it. All right, what I'm gonna do now is apply some concealer, and I'm using my cult favorite, the MAC NC45 concealer. It's Pro Longwear concealer. And then I'm actually gonna blend this out with this brush. This is a blending brush from Real Techniques. And when I first got it, I never ever used it for concealer. And I've been doing it recently, and I actually really like it as a concealer brush. Okay. Now I'm going to use my sponge and blend that out, just diffuse it out a bit. So now that I'm done this, I'm going to use some of that NW46 on my cheeks just to add a bit of a contour look. Adding a bit of that here on the sides of my nose. I'm going to set my face with my MAC Pro Set Powder again. I know it's a white powder, but I really enjoy using it to set my face. And I'm going to apply more than I normally would actually. So I'm gonna just bake a bit. It's really hot outside and I want my makeup to last. My powder is sitting. I'm gonna finish up with my eyes. So I have this Pearlglide Intense eyeliner, and it's this really nice purple color that looks like that. I'm gonna put that in my waterline, and the same colors I applied to the top of my lid, I'm gonna apply to the bottom. I like that. I like that. I could leave my eyes just like this, but I'm gonna bring those colors down to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna take that brush and just dust away the powder. Normally when I do my foundation, I don't want to look matte, but sis, it's hot as shit, so I don't mind looking matte today. I'm actually gonna jump into my my dark powder. It's a mineralized powder, and just kind of put this all over my face. The last thing I'm gonna do is apply some blush and go back to my eyes. I have like this really backwards way of doing my makeup. I don't know why I'm all over the place. So I'm gonna take my blush palette and I'm gonna apply this pretty pink blush right on my cheeks. And then I'm gonna take some of my MAC in Extreme Dimension blush in the shade Hushed. I love this blush. So I'm gonna apply some mascara to my top bottom lashes, put on some gloss on my lips, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I am feeling so cute. This came together very well. It looks very nice, very seamless. Honestly, it's flawless. So I guess thank you for watching. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm still like working on the whole lighting because right now the lighting is perfect, but in the video it was like dark. So I don't know. This shit just does what the fuck it wants to do.
How you look so perfect on your worst days. That was
yeah. But if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button. If you've been rocking with me, thank you. Bye.